Hello everyone. Sedum, a tenacious plant that can root even between rocks, is known for its antipyretic and detoxifying properties. It is also said to be rich in calcium and vitamin C compared to other vegetables. Sedum is best enjoyed immediately after a light dressing, as pre-marinating can cause it to become watery and lose its crisp texture. A beloved side dish in Korea, this dish featuring seasonal spring produce is easy to prepare and enjoy. As an alternative to Schisandra berry extract, you can use green plum syrup or a mixture of lemon juice and oligosaccharide. For a spicier flavor, simply add more red chili powder to taste. Gently toss the sedum with the dressing, using a light touch to ensure even distribution of the marinade. Embark on a culinary adventure with this refreshing and balanced sedum salad, where a touch of bitterness harmonizes beautifully with a burst of zest.